Purify your complexion, mastering the ultimate skin detox regimen. A detoxifying skin routine is pivotal in maintaining a healthy, glowing complexion. Daily exposure to pollutants and toxins can clog pores and dull the skin, making detoxification essential for rejuvenation and preserving skin vitality. Understanding your skin type is crucial in tailoring a detox process that effectively purges impurities without causing irritation. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, selecting the right detox methods can enhance your skin's natural defense mechanisms. Hydration plays a significant role in skin detoxification. Drinking ample water and using hydrating skincare products help flush out toxins and ensure your skin remains supple and plump, facilitating a more effective detox process. Incorporating a morning cleansing ritual is beneficial in removing the buildup of oils and impurities that accumulate overnight. This not only refreshes the skin, but also prepares it to better absorb detoxifying treatments throughout the day. An evening cleansing routine aids in eliminating the day's accumulation of toxins, makeup, and environmental pollutants. This step is vital for optimal skin detox, allowing the skin to repair and regenerate overnight. Weekly exfoliation is a cornerstone in the quest to expel toxins from our skin. It sloughs off dead skin cells, paving the way for a clearer, more breathable complexion. This ritual rejuvenates by uncovering the fresh, new skin beneath and is instrumental in preventing toxin accumulation. The power of steam cannot be underestimated in a skin detox routine. It gently opens up the pores, making them more receptive to cleansing and detoxification processes. This simple yet effective method ensures that pollutants are more easily removed, enhancing the overall efficacy of your skincare regimen. Selecting the right detoxifying cleansers is crucial, as they lay the foundation for your skin's health. They should align with your skin type to effectively remove impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. This careful balance is key to maintaining a detoxified, hydrated complexion. Incorporating clay masks into your routine offers a deep pore detoxification that few other products can match. Clay draws out toxins and excess oils, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and deeply cleansed. Its ability to purify makes it an invaluable asset in any detoxifying skincare routine. Detoxifying skin toners play a pivotal role, bridging the gap between cleansing and moisturizing. They help to remove any residual impurities while tightening pores, which is essential for keeping toxins at bay. A well-chosen toner can elevate your detox routine, ensuring your skin remains pristine and well-protected. Antioxidant-rich serums play a critical role in shielding the skin from harmful toxins and environmental pollutants. These serums, infused with vitamins C and E, neutralize free radicals, preventing premature aging and promoting a radiant complexion. The diet significantly influences the skin's ability to detoxify. Consuming foods high in antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables, supports the skin's natural detox processes, enhancing its clarity and overall health. Hydration is key in flushing out toxins from the body and skin. Drinking plenty of water and consuming hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon help maintain the skin's elasticity and facilitate the removal of impurities. Sleep acts as a natural detoxifier for the skin. During rest, the skin repairs itself from daily stressors, allowing the elimination of toxins. Ensuring adequate sleep is essential for maintaining a glowing and healthy skin barrier. Stress management is vital in preventing toxin buildup in the skin. Techniques such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help reduce cortisol levels, thereby minimizing stress-induced breakouts and improving the skin's overall detoxification process. Facial massages are not just indulgent spa treatments. They're pivotal for promoting skin detox. Through gentle, circular motions, massages enhance blood circulation, facilitating the removal of toxins and encouraging nutrient-rich blood flow to the skin's surface. Natural ingredients play a crucial role in skin detoxification. Ingredients like lemon, honey, and green tea possess natural detoxifying properties that cleans the skin deeply without stripping it of its natural oils, promoting a healthier, more radiant complexion. The inclusion of green tea in skincare routines harnesses its potent antioxidant properties. This powerful ingredient helps to fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and support the skin's natural detoxification processes, leading to clearer and more vibrant skin. Probiotics have emerged as a game changer in the realm of skin detox. By balancing the skin's microbiome, they help maintain its barrier, reduce symptoms of irritation and inflammation, and pave the way for a smoother detoxification process. Dry brushing is a centuries-old technique that supports skin detoxification by stimulating the lymphatic system, which helps in eliminating toxins. Additionally, it removes dead skin cells, enhancing skin texture and promoting better circulation. Exercise is not just pivotal for overall health, but also plays a crucial role in skin detoxification. By boosting circulation, it helps to nourish skin cells from within, promoting the expulsion of toxins through sweat. Detox baths, enriched with ingredients like Epsom salt and essential oils, offer a dual benefit for skin health. They aid in toxin elimination, soothing the skin, and enhancing its ability to repair and rejuvenate. Sun protection is an often overlooked but essential component of a detox strategy. By guarding against UV damage, it prevents the accumulation of toxins and stresses on the skin, thereby supporting its natural detoxification processes. Regular professional facials go beyond mere pampering. They provide a deep detox for the skin. These treatments deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and nourish, facilitating a thorough elimination of toxins and improving skin health significantly. DIY detoxifying mask recipes offer a personalized touch to skincare routines, allowing for targeted treatment according to specific skin types and concerns. These masks can draw out impurities, leading to clearer, more radiant skin. Maintaining a toxin-free skincare regimen requires vigilance and knowledge about the products you use. Opt for skincare items with natural ingredients and avoid harsh chemicals. Regularly reviewing ingredient lists can help keep your routine clean and effective. Seasonal adjustments to your skin detox routine are vital for addressing the changing needs of your skin. In summer, focus on lighter, hydrating products, while winter calls for more nourishing and moisturizing elements to combat dryness. Detoxing your makeup bag involves discarding expired products and switching to non-toxic, natural cosmetics. This not only benefits your skin's health, but also minimizes your exposure to harmful chemicals, often found in conventional makeup. Monitoring your skin's detox journey allows you to observe improvements and identify areas needing adjustment. Pay attention to changes in skin texture, clarity, and overall health as indicators of your routine's effectiveness in removing toxins. Embracing a holistic approach to skin detoxification means combining external skincare practices with internal health habits. A balanced diet, ample hydration, regular exercise, and stress management are equally important for achieving a truly detoxified and radiant complexion.